All right, in this video, I'm gonna be talking to you about the hammock slasher. There was a situation where I had a guest that came in on a Friday and left on a Saturday, and my property manager was sending me all these screenshots of like, Sean, this guy, the hammock was fine before he came, and the hammock was cut, like completely cut like with a knife after he left. He's like, he's refusing to pay for it. I've gone through Airbnb Resolution Center. We're trying to get all this stuff resolved, and he just keeps on saying he didn't do it, and he refused to do it. So do me a favor. I know you're on vacation right now, but go to your camera and then check to see, like, get screenshots and stills of him cutting the hammock. That way we can send it to Airbnb and get paid for this. Hammocks aren't cheap. It's like a full-on like metal hammock with a thing in the middle. So anyways, it takes me a couple days to finally take the importance enough to actually do it. So I finally go back and he's like reminding me every day, hey, make sure to check the camera, make sure to check the camera. And so we go and I go through this whole video thing, and I go days and days and days because I'm trying to see like the history and the progression of the hammock sitting there. And I just watch this hammock like at 16 times speed flowing in the wind, and I see it, and then I see it on the ground. I see it on the ground. And I keep on going back and I slowly go through this. And I'm like, what is going on here? Do I have a ghost? And so I send the whole video over to my property manager. I'm like, dude, I think we have a ghost. I like, the hammock was fine and it was slashed and it was on the ground. And so I went through it over and over again. And then later on that night, I was sitting in my bed and I went through it again, and I zoomed in really close to like just the corner of where the slash happens, where the ghost supposedly like slashed it. And what I saw was incredible. I didn't expect it. So I'm gonna play a clip right now for you guys, just so you know this is a fun little story for you guys. There's no real lesson to be learned other than make sure that you have your cameras. I've told you this in almost every single video, but watch this following clip. Crazy, right? I never expected a squirrel would be so angry at me. Like, why the hell did that squirrel come down the tree? It had no reason to come down the tree, jump onto it, and just sit there, bite it, cut it, slash it, and then jump away. There is no reason apart from there's some kind of war going on between humans and squirrels, and I want to make sure that you're on the right side. By letting me know that you're on the right side, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment below if you've ever had a squirrel destroy your life. And also, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one.